Hi. What's up? What's up? Oops. Hey, Lucy. What are you guys up to? Today is barbecue day. It is our National Barbecue Day. As always, on Sunday. Thank goodness it's nice out. So we can have a beautiful barbecue. Oh, I forgot my ab carver. I gotta do that every morning. Hello. Hello. Are you excited? Lucy's having a good day. Lucy's having a great day. I'm good. I just woke up, got ready, and came here. That's about it. That's all my morning has consisted of this far. The anticipation to see you guys. Hey!
What?
Can you throw my beanbag off that patio? Thank you. All right. Let's do this. Yeah, it's really nice. So we're just gonna like hang out and barbecue and do whatever. I don't know. It would be cool. See, it would be cool to go out like to the beach and like go skate the boardwalk. I want to do that so bad, but I made the mistake of. Oh my God! It was a crunch to Lucy. Lucy, stop eating grass. Oh yeah, I made the mistake of not charging my backpack. Shame, shame, shame. Every day my bikini is smaller. No. Alright. So let's get the blanket down here so we could start doing our ab carver. 30 a day. I told you I'd do 30 a day. I'm gonna get ripped. Oh, I don't know. It's weird because she'll eat grass and then she'll throw up the grass that she ate. So I know that they do that because they have they're trying to clean their tummy, but for some reason she just doesn't digest it well. So I don't want her eating grass and throwing up because it may give her a worse tummy ache eating it than whatever tummy ache she has in the first place. Unfortunately. Alright. Oh. So let's put this right here. Very nice. Oh. Forgot my knee pads that it came with. Yeah, this is a dope towel. It's actually a blanket. I've mistreated it as a towel though. Blankets just get to be like in the warm, cozy environment. And then towels they go through a lot. They really do. I feel bad for towels. Hi! She doesn't have a collar on. Ab carver. Check. All right, now very, 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 very carefully, I will put, whoa. What the heck? Okay. You guys right here. What's up, Lucy? Yeah, you need your collar on, don't you? She's licking it. Come here, Lucy. Come here. Good girl. Can you sit? She's a good girl. You're a good girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You like your collar. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Good girl. She's like, okay, bye. Okay, bye. All right. I want to say hi to everyone individually. All right, I'll try my best. I will try my best. Cannot guarantee this will go well. Okay, let's start from the bottom. Hey, Spanky, Dave, Lucas, SoCal, Crescent, Doug, Zach, Shadow, Randall, IDK, Cypher Horse, Gambit. A long time. You asked how long does it take to charge? It takes a long time to charge. I'm scrolling so much. Official Dave, Jersey Killa, hello, Master Sim, Benny, and Zackums, and more people. Oh, hi Rachels, Foofer, Lovely Lace, Baked Fish, Cold Blue Hunter, I can't. Hello, Bitcoin, Crypto Man, GTA 420 Crew, Cyberbenz. All right, did I get everyone? Anyways, all right, gotta do 30 of these every day. Otherwise I just will know that I can't get on my healthy grind. Ready? Set. Yeah, I need my knee pads because this ground is very hard. I wonder if I could just use something else. I could just use this. Oh, there they are. Aha, my knee pads. It came with the machine. All right, here we go. It needs to go further. Aha. Hello. Ready? Set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Oh my God, I can't believe I did it. Unbelievable. I can't believe I did it. Oh, I'm getting better at that. Yeah. Yeah. That burns. Feel the burn. 30 more to go. I'm down. I'm down. Let's do more. I mean, I'm not even like completely dead. You know? Like I feel the burn, but I'm not like, oh, I can't do anymore. Like the past couple days, I'm stuck. Like the past couple days, I have been really, really sore. So I really haven't done anything like that. Like I worked out yesterday, but I was having a really hard time working out. But today, since I worked out yesterday, and it seems like I kind of got over that hump of being sore, I guess, that I could actually work out a little bit better. So that's good. Sunscreen. Thanks. I need some sunscreen in my life. I really do. Now do 30 more. Not with that attitude. Smells so good. Premium moisturizing sunscreen spray. Banana coconut. Whoa! It like sticks. Ah! How do I do this? How do I get my back? Gotta be very skilled to put sunscreen on your own back with a spray can. Your shoulders are the most important, I think. All right, I'm done. It's enough sunscreen. I believe I'm fully covered. Or I would like to think. No, it's not always sunny and hot in California. It's usually sunny and hot, but in the winter time, there is a very good amount of clouds and gloominess. Trust me. Hello, Kinder Egg. Hi, the only. How are you?
Peter cheered X100. Charge the bike, take the keys, heat up the pool. Lucilia for president. Yay, yay, yay. What's good, Rainbow? You look good today.
Thank you.
I'm fine, thanks for asking. Hey, chat. Sunday fun day hype. Lol.
He answered my question before. He just answered my question. Answering my question before I even ask it to you. Am I that predictable? Oh man. Good to see you, the only. It's funny. That's really funny. Okay, should we do some more? Some more ab carvers? Carvers, sorry. Ab carvers, not curvers. My abs aren't curving. Maybe. Yeah, let's do it. We got this. Let's do like 30 more. Whoa. All right. Ready? Here we go. Set and roll. 1. I'm not getting enough rollage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm trying to go in different directions too. 7, 8. Nope. 9.
Viper24_THX100 High Rainbow. That abs workout is giving you results. Looking lovely today. I will be love.
13. Oh God, I couldn't do that. It's especially difficult when you just have to use like your actual abs. What's up, Viper? Thanks. That's how you're supposed to do it though. And you're not supposed to really, I don't think you're supposed to use your whole body to get the machine back to you. You have to just use your arms and abs. Yeah. Well. Oh, hi, Sasha. There's a dog on the patio. There's a dog on the stairs. Sasha. Okay. One. All right. That is too easy. Lucy, don't you dare. Lucy's freaking out. Can you not, Lucy? Gosh. All right. Where were we? Lucifer. Lucifer. Anyways. We were at 13, right? 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. I have it on beginner mode. We have to tilt back a little. Hey. Bum 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 bum. Ah! Lucy doesn't want to dance with me. Gosh. She makes me so sad sometimes. Come on, Lucy. All right. I am working up a sweat. Yeah, what a jerk. Why would she not want to dance? So rude. Okay. Good? Good. All right. I'm doing 30 right now, whether you like it or not. Oh, I keep getting it wrong. Okay. Oh, this is advanced. 2, 3, 4. That's a little too much. 14, fuck. Damn it. Lucy. 18, 19, 20. Hey, come here. Oh, come here, Lucy. Come on. Want a treat? You want to go play? I did 20, okay? I feel like 20 was a very good number because I am just, oh, that is hard. I feel like everyone should own one of these. Sorry, 1 second. All right, anyways. I gotta finish my 10. Oh, my watch. All right. I should have my heart rate on so you guys can, you know, track it. Can you throw my watch? All right, I'm gonna catch my watch from the second floor. See if I could do that.
Little Big Fat just resubscribed for 7 months.
Thank you for 7 months. Thank you. Little Big Fat. Thank you, thank you. All right, let's continue the 10. Let's go. All right. 10 more, and then we're done. 1. All right, that's a little bit too far. The farther you extend, the harder it is to get it back. You know? Sorry. Yeah, so we gotta not go too far because then I'm just gonna fall on my stomach. This is good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. All right. I'm done. Whew. Oh my goodness. All right, that is exhausting. I gotta lay down. I gotta lay down for a second. All right, what should we barbecue today? I want to barbecue like a little bit earlier in the day. I don't want to barbecue too late because I want to do the barbecue for lunch. Hi! Hi! Hey, get your butt out of my face. Why did you do that? Butt in face. God. Every day. Just gotta do it every day. For some reason. It is her tradition. Ooh, some fish. I was thinking fish. That's a good idea. I should do some fish. Fish for lunch, though. Fish for lunch. Do people eat fish for lunch? Sounds kind of intense. I do want to make a tilapia, though, because I do make a mean tilapia. I've made it for you guys, like, maybe like 3 times. Do you remember? It's a lemon pepper, garlic, rosemary, tilapia. Yeah. It's really, really good. It's really good. I usually put like a whole entire sprig of rosemary in there. Food talk, yeah. Food talk, because I gotta get some groceries so we can do a barbecue. No, it's not frozen. I mean, it's from the like the deli, the fish deli. What do you call? Is it just called the deli? No, the deli is where they give you lunch meat. What do they call the area where you get like big chops of meat and the fish? It's called the butcher. The butcher shop. Well, no, like in the grocery store. Would that be considered the deli too? I literally just felt like a raindrop drop on me. The meat department. That sounds weird. The meat counter. The meat counter. That sounds more like it. Okay, anyways. I get my fish from the, what was it? The meat counter. That's where I get it. Oh God. I do want to make those little potatoes though. Those little potatoes are my loves. My little bundles of joy. Lucy! Man, it's really hot today. Oh my gosh. Whew, it's freaking hot. What's the temperature? It says 62. Man, I can't believe that. Really? Let's wrap more veggies in bacon. I'm always down for that. Hey, Jimmy. I'm gonna order a, what am I ordering? I'm gonna order a juice real quick. Jamba Juice. Jamba Juice. It's so weird. There's a Jamba Juice that's really, really close, but for some reason they always put the Jamba Juice that's super far away available for delivery. I don't know why they do that. It's only 15 Fahrenheit outside here. Damn, that sucks. 9 in Wisconsin. You guys, you can steal some of, wait, some of this if you want. You just reach in and grab some. All right. Large. Add to cart. Do I want anything from here? Yes, I do. I do. I get, hi Lucy, the strawberry surf rider, which is lemonade, lime sherbet, strawberries, and peaches. I get frozen strawberries, pineapples, blueberries, and mangoes in there. Yes. What are you doing this for? What are you doing? I don't know if I should say that. Oh. All right. Should go to checkout. No thanks. Priority. And order. See? Easy as pie. Because pie is easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I wonder if I can do it laying down. Ooh, we should try it laying down. It's like, oh, it could be like a yoga. Wait, what? Why isn't it going? It goes like this. That's really good for your back, honestly. Yeah, a yoga roller. Ah, pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right. Oh, let's go see what Lucy's doing. Hi, Lucy. Oh, look at the beach. That beach looks really nice. What are you doing? Hi. Hey. Hey. I missed you. I missed you. Oh, he's going in for the hug. Do you want to say hi? This is a dog hug. Hi. Isn't that cute? Over here. You're so cute. She'll do this on her own. I know I put her in this position, but she'll do that on her own sometimes. Oh. Now you're not moving, are you? I'm sorry, she's just so funny. She'll fall asleep soon. If she falls asleep, I'm so sorry, but the whole stream is just going to be me sitting here with Lucy sleeping in my arms. But I don't think a dog can fall asleep with their legs straight out standing. Oi. Wait, you okay? Yeah. They can. Dogs sleep standing up. How often does a dog fall asleep standing up? How would they do that? Thank you for the 5 gifted subs.
Theonly Peter just gifted 5
Thank
subs.
you. Woo! Thank you. Sorry if that made you dizzy. Thank you, the only. It's so hot today. Ooh, I got water bottles. I'm so happy I got water bottles because I am absolutely terrible. Oh, that's cute. At refilling my water bottle, so I got some water bottles. Whoa! Dude, there's a bee. There it is! There it is. Same bee that came to torture me every day. Aquafina got me glistening. Those are lyrics from Future. Those are Future lyrics. I forget what song. What is that, Lucy? What is that? You want some? You want some water? I'll share with you. I think she wants some. I'm gonna take a couple sips first and then I will share with you. Deal? All right. This is how you hand feed a lion in the wilderness. Come on. Want some water? Want some water? Okay, I don't think she wants any right now. Come on. Where's her water bowl? Oh, her water bowl is full. See, that explains it. That will do it right there. She's like, I don't want your water. I got this. Big, beautiful bowl of water. Damn. Damn, Lucy. Hey, no itching. Well, anyways, that was my example of how to feed a wild animal. She is. 20? What are you laughing at? I am 20. Probably warm water in the dish. Ooh. Actually, I think it's cold because my roommate was out here this morning cleaning up and organizing. Oh, that water is like the perfect amount of cold / room temperature. So she's good. She's good. Let's do a handstand. I like the silhouette. Oh, that was pretty scary. I don't like doing handstands on concrete. It freaks me out. Like even the back bend walkover. That freaks me out too. On the concrete. I can do it on here though. Hi, Lucy. Ready? Set. Oh, that's freaky. I could probably do it. I should just do it. Hi. This will be my cushion if I fall backwards. All right, here you go. Oh, that's scary. All right. Aha, I did it. Thanks. It's actually pretty easy. I just psych myself out for the most part. Lucy, what's that? Watch this. I'm gonna make her do zoomies, hopefully. Hopefully I have the power to do that for her. Oh no, she's hyper-focused. She's hyper-focused. So the pool is getting cleaner. I remember when it was literally like a brown swamp. It was like Shrek's swamp. It's literally like Shrek was living in there. But it's getting better. It's getting better. Pretty soon we'll be able to swim in it. I could probably swim in it by now. Yeah. It looks good though. It looks good.